Hello, my name is Joel and I'm a chemistry tutor from Bright Culture. Okay, today I'm going to teach mole concept because I noticed that a lot of students, whenever they do chemistry questions or when they see mole calculations or any numbers in the chemistry question, they will just ignore, What I'm going to do today is that I'm going to teach you how to do all these questions, and it's actually very, very simple. Okay, so the first thing that, the first formula that's actually very important is actually we need to know mass over MR. So the first formula is number of moles equals to mass over MR. MR means molecular mass. Okay, so where do you get MR? Of course, it's from the periodic table, and of course, it's the bigger number of an element. For example, sodium, okay, is 11, 23, so 23 is the MR. Okay, so the first formula you need to know is mass over MR for moles, how to calculate number of moles. The second formula you need to know is number of moles of gas. So whenever you see gases, okay, and then they give you some form of volume, we just take that volume, divide by 24 dm cube or 24,000 cm cube. Okay, so for example, they give you 20 cm cube of oxygen gas. We just take 20, because it's cm cube, we divide by 24,000 cm cube to find the moles of gas. Okay, so this is the second formula. The first formula is number of moles equals to mass over MR. The second formula is number of moles of gas. So I emphasize again, is for gases only. 20 cm cube divided by 24,000 cm cube. So number of moles of gas is always volume of gas divided by the 24,000 cm cube or 24 dm cube. So two formulas already, right? Okay. The third formula we are going to know how to calculate moles is actually number of moles equals to concentration times volume. Okay, so for this part over here, concentration only applies to what? Only applies to aqueous solutions. Okay, it doesn't make sense if it's concentration of a solid. It doesn't make sense, right? So whenever they give you some form of concentration of a solution and some form of volume of the solution, we just multiply them together. For example, a classic solution they like to give you is dilute hydrochloric acid. So for example, 20 cm cube of 1.5 moles per dm cube of hydrochloric acid. How do you find moles? You multiply them together. But take note, the volume, the 20 cm cube of hydrochloric acid, the volume you need to divide by 1,000 to convert into dm cube. So how to find moles of HCl, I say again, is 20 over 1,000 to convert 20 cm cube to dm cube. Then you multiply by 1.5 mole per dm cube to get the moles of the acid. Okay, so I've just taught you three main formulas of mole concept. Okay, I say again, number one, number of moles equals to mass over MR. Number two, number of moles of gas equals to volume of gas divided by 24,000 or 24 dm cube. And number three, number of moles equals to concentration of a solution times the volume. Okay, so please take note of these three formulas, and then the next lesson I will teach you on how to apply these formulas into a real question. Okay, goodbye.